Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically generate bilingual subtitles in a CapCut PC. So make sure your audio is on, go to text here, go to auto captions, and there's going to be two. This is a pro feature, so select the source language. My video is in English, and for the translated language I'm going to select Indonesian, for instance. And then I'm going to select generate. It takes longer if your video is a little bit longer. You can edit the subtitles so they don't look like the same. So maybe I want the English one to be in the color blue and the Indonesian in the color pink. So I'll just select the caption. So this one's in Indonesian. So I'm going to select, for instance, the color pink for it. And I'll add like an outline to that maybe, and for the English subtitles I'll just be using the blue one. For instance, you can also place it somewhere else and make it a little bit larger. I might change it to be a little bit more of a dark pink. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. You can also edit the captions as well here. So go to captions and you can like edit it one by one. So for instance, it's not in the correct grammar. Also select the update translations automatically. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!